Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be unboxing and setting up the A9 IP camera. This is a similar camera to the 365 cam. However, they have a different model, which is the A9 model. So very quickly looking at the box here. So this is a Wi-Fi IP camera, and in the box, if we turn it, we can see the features on the side. So it features live streaming, HD quality streaming, internet access, or you can access the camera through the internet. It supports a TF card as well as cloud recording. It does have wide range access to the camera. It does support night vision as well, and it's WDR. Looking at the other side of the box, nothing here to see, and we've got a QR code here at the top to install the application to manage the camera. Before we continue with the unboxing, if you do enjoy our videos, please do hit that like button and please do subscribe to our channel. So looking at the box then, so let's open it up. So inside the box, we've got here a stand support for you to put on the wall, on the window, or wherever it's suitable. We've got a USB charging cable, so this is a micro USB cable. We've got the camera and we've got the instruction manual right over here in Chinese as well as in English. We'll have a look at the manual in a bit. I'm just going to get this out of the way and let's have a quick look into the camera. So the camera does look like the 365 camera, very similar. So I'm just going to remove here the protective plastic cover. We can see here the lens right here in the middle, and then on the side we've got the on and off button, we've got the mode button, we've got a micro SD card slot on the side, and we've got a micro USB port or here on the side as well if you want to power up, if you want to copy the data from your SD card onto a computer, and also to charge the battery on this device. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to give it a quick charge when we are going to install the application, set it up and get it running. Also to mention that these cameras, they don't come with the micro SD card, so you will need an SD card. I do have one here for testing purposes that we are going to use. However, just be aware that they don't come with an SD card and you have to buy it separately. Okay, so I've got a power bank here that I'm going to use for the camera, and to charge the camera, basically just connect your micro USB cable onto the camera and a red light will pop up here. So this is indicating that it is currently charging. So I've got the power bank here on the side, so I'm just going to move this a bit away so it doesn't interfere here with the recording. Now, first things first, what we're going to do here with the camera is insert the micro SD card. So this card is already formatted. And to insert the micro SD card, basically just put this in. So just put the micro SD card like this, push it until you hear the click. So it has clicked and the micro SD card is now installed. So the second thing I want to do is install the application on my mobile phone. So I'm going to use an Android test phone for this example, and I'm going to scan the QR code that's on the manual. You can also do it from the box, as you can see here. But in this instance, I'm just going to scan the QR code from the manual to install the application. The application is called FTY Cam Pro. And to install it, just open the camera application and scan the QR code. And we've got the QR code there scanned, and this is going to open the link to go to the website, which I'm going to tap now here to navigate over to the website. And here on the website, I've got a few options. I can install for iOS devices from the App Store. I've got the Android application that I can install from Google Play, and I've got an Android APK that I can download and install it as a side-loaded application. In this case, I'm going to choose Google Play. Google Play is the safest way to install applications. So I'm going to tap here to select some Android Google Play. It didn't open Google Play, but and then I'm going to tap install. Okay, so one of the things that I've noticed here is that it gives all these options for us to install, for example, from the App Store, from Google Play, and then to download the APK. But whichever option you choose here, it always takes you to their website to download the application, which leads me to believe that the application is not actually on Google Play. So we've got the application here for Android. If I tap on install, it's going to advise me that this is an APK and it might be harmful. I'm just going to download here anyway, and then I'm going to install the application. So you can always choose not to install, but if you don't install it, you don't actually get to manage the camera. So I'm going to tap on open, and this is going to now let me know that I need to enable install unknown applications from unknown sources. So I'm going to enable this option on my mobile phone. You can do that or deny to do that. It's really up to you. So here I'm going to say that I'm aware of the possible risks of installing the application, and I'm going to tap on OK, and that is going to install the application. Of course, we always recommend you having a good antivirus such as Avast or AVG, McAfee, for example, just to scan your files to make sure that they are safe. So what I've noticed is that I've had an issue with the camera. It wouldn't turn on for me to continue the recording, so I'm going to get this camera replaced. I'm getting a new one, and as soon as I get the new camera, I will do another video on us setting up the application with the camera, and I will show you how that works. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.